Hey guys, thank you for watching. Today we're going to talk about connecting Shopify with Drop Cowboy. You're going to make your way over to Zapier.com. Go ahead and click the search app. You're going to type in Shopify. Once you get to this page, you're going to type in your pairing app, which is always going to be Drop Cowboy. And it'll tell you to connect Shopify to Drop Cowboy section. What you're going to do is you're always going to choose a trigger, which will then send either a voicemail, a voice broadcast, or a text message through Drop Cowboy. So Shopify is going to provide you quite a bit of trigger steps, which then can trigger any of those applications through Drop Cowboy. So go ahead and click this drop down, and you're going to choose what entry you want, what trigger you want to then trigger a voicemail, text, or voice broadcast from Drop Cowboy. They have a lot of features. For instance, abandoned cart. Someone then can go through the whole sales process, add to their carts, or they could be a frequent shopper. You already have the information. When they add products to the cart and they abandon it, you can then send them a text offering a coupon code of 10% or a voicemail or anything you need to do to get them back in the system. A new order, you can send them a thank you voicemail or a thank you text, and here's a future coupon, and so on. So what you're going to do is click that trigger step that you want to connect. You can connect as many triggers and many zaps as you want, so you can actually perform multitasks for every different scenario. And then you're going to trigger that, which will then send a voicemail, a voice broadcast, or text to Drop Cowboy. Thank you, and have a great day.